What's going on, everyone? It's Cam here, Senior National Trading Manager at Lucetta CI. This is CEDIA 2025. It's our largest booth we've ever done. So I want to take you through a quick little walkthrough, do some high-level product overview. So I'm going to start over here. This is our Broadwave RGBW wall washer. It's actually a sleeper in CI. It's not as well known of a product, but what I love about this wall washer is this is for more 80% of your projects. This is not a Color Kinetics 10-story skyscraper. This is meant for 4-story to 5-story buildings. But what I love about it, not only is it cost effective, but it's 120 volt. So you don't have to hide the drivers. You don't have to deal with any of that. And also, it's a decoder on board. So you're also not having to deal with having to wire and hide up the decoders as well. So very simple installation. I'm going to take you around over here. So I'm about to show you some brand new channel extrusions, but before I do, there's a few of them that are new that are actually showing it in a mounted position here. So we have this new mud-in 1-inch wall reveal. We also have a smaller one as well. This is mounted face towards you, but really what this is meant for is perimeter lighting, where you can do mud-in lighting where from the ceiling and the wall where it butts up, do a nice bordering of the room. You can do everything from pixel to RGBW, but also even high lumen output to create good general illumination. And now you can decrease the amount of ceiling lights you use and all of that clutter. Also a single flange. This is great for, in this situation, with trying to integrate it in the corners with wood, but also think about backsplashes and tile, being able to mount it right into that corner. And we also have this flexible mud-in. This is utilizing a silicone lens. And we actually have this Streamlight chip on board mounted on the side, this side right here. That side is a completely extruded aluminum. And then on this side, you have the extruded aluminum that has gaps. So this allows you to bend it in actual spirals on one side and then about a good U on the other side. Really, really unique type of mud-in product. So as we move along here, if you come in and you stop by the booth, we finally have this new display here showcasing all of the most common custom integration channel profile solutions that we go to market with in the CI industry. And so you can see here just a nice little snapshot, even showing what some of you are very well known with is utilizing our closet rod. This is actually the same closet rod, but in what we call our art rod. So a little art rod mount, good wire management, and then also showcasing some of our more popular channels actually mounted into these little wood display cases. So take you around here. This is showcasing some of our more newer channel samples, as well as some of the more core products as well. So two that I really want you to look out for are these new recessed angle channels. So this is our recessed angle, but you can see that more like a 30-degree angle. And then this is our recessed 45-degree. Now, this is showing it mounted straight at you, but a great way is how we have this mounted in this wood display case over here. So we're showing it from the vertical view right here, just so that you can see into it. But notice how the lens right here is angled and it's shining the light back. So if I had this horizontally mounted into floating shelves, a cabinet, doesn't matter. Now you're not just seeing lines of light through your viewing angle. This is creating a floating effect, and the light is always being directed away from your eyes. So really unique way to do recessed millwork, but also keeping that light away from those eyes and having good glare control. So we move over here. Got a couple cool new things to show you. So this is showing our kind of most popular tunable white product offerings. So obviously we have Valent, Streamlight, but this is our most unique tunable white product we've ever come out with. Probably I would say the highest quality light engine in tunable white in this industry, not just in tape light, but across the board. What this is doing is now we're using 3 chips instead of 2. So the third chip is what we call an anchor chip. And now this allows you to sit on that beautiful black body curve as you tune the CCT through the entire range. What this does for you is 2 things. It gives you the longest CCT range in all of tape light, so 1800 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin, but it also gives you the highest CRI across all of the CCTs. 98 CRI at the 3 chips, so 18K, 35K, and 65K, and then about 95 plus through all of the other CCT ranges. Definitely come check this out. It's one of the most beautiful tunable white products out there. Then a couple last things I wanted to showcase is our new Low Pro junction panel box. This is just for display purposes so that you can see inside of it and get a visual. This is actually how it will look. This is to help with heat ventilation it is paintable with the right type of paint. You can recess this or surface mount this in between two standard studs, but also are stackable as well. So you can do larger projects by stacking and then daisy chaining the 120 volt. I know you've seen a lot of low pro types of junction box panel boxes out there. The difference with this is that this is a design service that comes with this. So we can take your entire project, do all your driver calculations, your driver loads, your voltage drop, wire it all up, ship it out with a nice bow on top, and now it's plug and play. Up to 4 standard drivers, and then up to 4 constant voltage drivers and 4 decoders in one. Okay, so keep that in mind. You cannot do more than 4 per panel box within UL rating. And then couple last things here. We just wanted to showcase our new Pixel offering. We have so much more than this in Pixel. Everything from 12 volt and every 1 LED addressable and every 3 LEDs to 24 volt, every 3 LEDs and 6 LEDs to RGB, RGBW, but also a brand new chip on board Streamlight Pixel. So as you can see here, instead of being able to see the individual dots, okay, it's more like water is kind of crashing on top of itself, allowing you to finally be able to utilize small form factors, still utilize Pixel without having to see a bunch of dots chasing each other. So really unique one. Come check this one out. And then this is a new display that we're utilizing. So this is just showing some kind of different architectural details and how you can light those architectural details with linear light. So this is a unique one. If you can show it from the view on the angle here, you'll see that this is our top bend Linaire Flex. So utilizing an IP67 outdoor rated silicone-based product, but showing you that you can still use it for decorative architectural details in the interior. And as well as the last one I want to show you on this is our new S1 cutoff. So the S1 is one of our most cost-effective, most popular channel profiles out there. What we did now is for those unique types of cases where maybe you're dealing with a shelf or a cabinet that doesn't have a reveal, it's a retrofit or a remodel, now you can create a reveal off of the channel, paint this, and now you still get that indirect view light. We have our light guide panels. You all are probably very familiar with this. We do have this new display though, so I wanted to just showcase it. Come over, it's tactile. You can grab different types of materials, play around with it. We're showcasing our Tunable White, our RGBW, and then a 4000 through this unique type of stone. What I love about this is these are completely custom. We can do circles, squares, rectangles, triangles. We can even do curves, wrap it around your sink as long as you have CAD drawings. So very unique. We can drill into this, do etch logos, all different types of styles with these light guide panels. And then to end it off, I want to show you this last display here. So if you are tired of having to go to a channel spec sheet, a tape light spec sheet, a driver spec sheet, and you want to be able to have a custom configured solution off of one single spec sheet, the FARO Series is going to be your answer. So we have the FARO dry location, and you'll definitely need to check out the spec sheets. It's an all-in-one configured solution, but also what's unique, it's hard to show this over camera, but these are our new FARO wet channels. So what we're utilizing is the same technology as our AlphaTech X, which is our IP69 UL676 polyurethane technology, and we're pouring that polyurethane into these channels. So what this is allowing you to do for the first time is now you can do an exterior grade channel and light engine, but not be using a silicone jacketed tape light. That is really something that can cause a lot of damage over time. The silicone can deteriorate from moisture. So this is giving you a secure, you can smack this, power wash this, be in the direct sun. It can take heavy rainfall, and you're going to have a nice rigid fixture for that IP67 application. Last thing, you all have been asking for it. These are one of our most popular flexible products out there, the Linaire Flex. You've heard of them. There's 6 profiles here. We have the top bend, the side bend, large 3D, mini 3D, micro side bend, and 360. The kit you caught up to speed if you're not familiar with these products is these are extremely unique IP67 silicone-based products that are 5 of the 6 profiles. So besides micro side bend, are free cut. So you can cut these anywhere you want. We can cut them anywhere you want. Now you don't have to deal with cut points. We can take any architectural detail and dimension and be able to border that with this light without any dead spots or hot spots. But what's brand new is the new Linaire Flex top bend 3D, and side bend in our RGBW. This is just the beginning, okay? We are going to be coming out with more profiles in RGBW, in RGB, in tunable white, in warm dim. Even in the future, we're going to be coming out with a unique black silicone type of Linaire Flex that is really, really beautiful. So come check it out. This is just the beginning. I appreciate your time. This is CEDIA 2025. Let's get hyped up. Lucetta CI Cam, Senior National Trading Manager.